Everyone experiences financial hardships at one point or another in life. This is why it's important to know your financial options, especially if you are in an emergency situation. Here are 5 common reasons why you may need a small loan, such as a payday loan. 1. Medical emergencies. You or a loved one may need additional emergency funds to help with healthcare costs, which may not be fully covered by your insurance. For example, you may need to pay for medical procedures or operations, physical therapy, prescription costs, and assistive medical devices, such as wheelchairs, hearing aids, or prosthetics. 2. Past due utility bills. When the bills begin to pile up, you may need some extra funds to help you out. This can become urgent, especially if you fall behind on important utility payments, such as your electric, heating, water, or internet bills. Applying for a payday loan could help you catch up on your essential utility bills and keep the lights on. 3. Home or vehicle repairs. Everyone has emergency home or vehicle repairs from time to time. Whether your house or vehicle is damaged due to a natural disaster, or your car just needs fixing, a small loan could help you recover from these damages. 4. Unexpected travel costs. When you book a trip, unexpected expenses can quickly build up. Later, once you start traveling, you often face unanticipated costs that exceed your original budget. These costs can include fees from a hotel, rental car, and baggage, as well as tipping. 5. Getting to your next paycheck. Ever get to payday and realize all your funds are already accounted for and there's nothing left? This could set you back and start the cycle of not paying all your bills on time. If you have a job and need some extra funds to stay ahead until your next paycheck, then try a payday loan. To qualify for a payday loan, you will need to be 18 years or older with a state-issued photo ID. Here's a full list of what's required to get a payday loan. Your most recent pay stub, a driver's license or state-issued ID, and a blank check from your checking account. Log on to our website and fill out the free online form to get started. Or give us a call at our toll-free number and ask us how you can get cash today with a payday advance.